In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Face ID in Photos app on iPhone. So I'm starting right from the home screen, and the first thing I'm doing is opening the Settings app on my iPhone. Once Settings is open, I'm going to scroll down through the list until I find Apps. There are a lot of options here, so just keep scrolling at a steady pace until Apps shows up, and when you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now I'm inside the apps section, and from here I'm going to scroll down again because we need to get into the Photos app settings. This is basically a list of apps, so I'm just moving down until I find Photos. Once Photos appears, tap on it, and that will open the settings specifically for the Photos app. Alright, now that I'm in the photo settings, I'm looking for the option that says Use Face ID. It should be listed right on this screen, so I'm just scanning down until I see it. Once you spot Use Face ID, all you need to do is turn it on. So if the toggle is currently off, I'm going to tap the switch once, and as soon as it flips to the on position, that means Face ID is now enabled for the Photos app setting. And that's it. There's no extra confirmation button you need to press, and you don't have to save anything manually. The change applies immediately as soon as you turn that switch on, so once you see it enabled, you're done. If you're following along on your own iPhone, just move through the same path. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, scroll down and tap Photos, and then turn on Use Face ID. It's a quick setting, but it helps to take your time while scrolling so you don't miss the Photos option in the apps list. I'm just going to pause for a moment here to double check that Use Face ID is switched on, and once it's on you can back out of settings whenever you want. Your iPhone will keep that setting enabled unless you come back later and turn it off again. So that's the full process for enabling Face ID in the Photos app settings on iPhone. Just follow those exact taps in settings and you'll have it turned on.